How's it going, everyone? And thanks for tuning in to another episode of Assembly Tool Specialist. My name's John, and in today's video, I asked the question, can chaser taps really be made safe? Let's find out. So a while back, our CEO, Jackie Arns, was visiting a tier 1 supplier showing off some of our awesome tools. One of them asked, how come you haven't shown us that tool yet? The tool they were questioning was the Nomar Chaser Tap. She went on to explain that basically that tool was in low demand and we were pushing our focuses towards other tools. Simply, we weren't really making them anymore. They went on to explain that they actually have had some incidents with their chasing or cutting taps, leaving in some pretty bad injuries. So what had happened was they used a homemade chaser tap or cutting tap where they welded a nut on the back, and well, that created some problems. You see, naturally a cutting tap has positive angle hooks, that way it can grab onto the metal and cut new threads. It's cutting into the metal. With a chaser tap, what you're getting, it is doing what it says it is. It is chasing the threads and cleaning them out. It is not cutting new metal, it is simply cleaning out those threads. So the same goes for grabbing and cutting metal. That positive angle hook, whatever it grabs onto, it will grab and cut through, including gloves, hands, and anything else. So that is why we developed our Nomar Chaser Tap without that positive angle hook and with our Spin Screen Nomar sleeve. Because as you know, with our Spin Screen Nomar sleeve, you're able to get a good handle on it, it spins freely, and it will not damage any of the material that you're working with. Our chaser taps also come in a variety of different drive types like listed here. And if something wears out on the tool, there's no need to buy the whole tool over again. Simply just buy the replacement parts. So if you'd like to see more videos like these, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website where you can see more tools and gauges like these at assemblytoolspecialist.com. And if you have any other simple questions, just give us a call. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.